experience.
Yes, yes.
Then we have to talk of the arrival experience
Yeah. So
because
now,
once the
yeah, now let's talk about the arrival experience. So the arrival experience, where does it start from?
the arrival experience starts from the moment you get down off your aircraft or the railway station or a
Hmm.
train.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Unless you are self-driving to a destination, then
Yeah.
that's a different thing.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So if you, the moment you touch down and are out of the airport,
Hmm.
are you able to spot the guest executive who has come to pick you up?
Yeah.
Is he standing with your name on the board?
Hmm. Hmm.
Is he clear? Is he nicely dressed?
Hmm. Hmm.
So this is now the perception which starts building. Now
The
this is happening visual.
yeah.
This is the visual experience.
Hmm.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Till now was experience which was happening on the third party.
Yes.
You are not
Online
seeing
or
somebody.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So now it's visual experience
Hmm.
that you find the guy standing there with the right approach, with the
Hmm.
right card, right
Hmm.
names,
And
and
the
he's the moment
uniform
he's
is nicely done. The placard is not
everything.
torn. Yeah.
Record is not like a folded piece of
Yeah.
paper.
Yeah.
It's a proper board,
Hmm.
and your name is spelled very correctly. That's
Yeah.
again a very
Very, very
sensitive
crucial.
matter. Very very sensitive matter.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Yeah.
hotels tend to overlook
Hmm.
because people can definitely take offense if their name is not spelled properly.
Definitely.
Yeah. So it's very critical to do that. And is the guy, the moment you spot him, is the guy willing to come forward to take your luggage,
Hmm.
assist you with that?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Then how does he escort you to your vehicle?
Hmm.
In today's time, how clean and sanitized the vehicle is,
Hmm.
how friendly is the chauffeur?
Yeah.
Is he only the chauffeur or this is a different chauffeur?
Hmm.
Usually, sometimes what happens is that you have a chauffeur come guest executive. But in some cases, in large cities, what they do is that hotels have different vehicles, and there's only a couple of guest executives whose job is only to receive people at the airport
Yeah.
and put them in the cars.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
That is one. Then you sit in the car. Now, does he have some kind of a water bottle or some candies to
Hmm.
just
Refresh.
part of the not a refreshment exactly, but at least to keep you busy.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see that he is welcoming you. Then the driving starts.
Hmm.
Now, is the chauffeur very friendly?
Hmm.
How safe is he driving?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Is he attending to mobile calls while driving? This is another point which is critical point now.
Yeah. Yeah.
People too take offense that when the driver they definitely don't appreciate that he talks on the mobile when the customer is sitting.
Yeah. Because they don't feel
And is
safe.
the they don't feel safe. They
Hmm.
don't feel safe, and obviously they have not come here to they have come here to enjoy the place,
Yeah.
not to listen to somebody's chat.
Yeah. Yeah.
So these are small things, visual impressions which can create it. Then
Hmm.
is the shopper willing to chat and offer basic information of the city,
Hmm.
or
Hmm.
is just quiet?
Hmm.
See, is he trying to engage with the customer?
Yeah.
The whole purpose is, are you trying to engage with the customer to find out?
Hmm. 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 Nowadays, the companies are even offering the Wi-Fi or the some cool towers in the shuttle buses,
Absolutely.
because that's the basic need of the customer. But the moment he touch down, he want to get connected back to the country, especially when in a foreign land. He want to connect back, and the only way to connect back usually is the Wi-Fi, the fastest way.
They say that's the first. Initially, they used to say, "Ki in India, I said, offer him a glass of water." They
Hmm.
say, "Today, before the glass of water, offer him a password,
Why
Wi-Fi
you
password."
Wi-Fi password? Yeah, yeah, that's right. So that is again a very important touch point.
So that's again part of the journey which he comes there. He reaches the hotel. Now, how's the welcome by the Darban? How's the welcome by
Hmm.
the doorman? Is he
Hmm.
friendly, warm, and welcoming smile? S- What is the system with the luggage which is being given to him?
Hmm.
Is the luggage being disinfected and scanned? And there's a proper tagging.
Hmm.
It's not that the guest has to go again and again, see, oh, this is where is my bag? Where is my bag? You know, these are small things which makes visual impression.
Hmm.
If it's a self-driven car, valet parking, is
Yes.
somebody willing to park his vehicle?
Hmm.
In today's time, though, valet parking, some people are skeptical. Some hotels have not started valet parking.
Yes. Yes.
But yes, if not in that case, is there somebody to guide him to the parking lot?
Hmm. Hmm.
It's not that his journey doesn't end there. You see, the
Yeah.
thing is, the moment the customer comes into your hotel premises, he becomes your responsibility.
Mm.
You need to be, you not to be after him, but you need to be
Yes.
with him.
Yes. 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 You're right. Correct.
Then welcoming him in the lobby.
Mm.
Earlier there used to be a traditional welcome. Obviously, again, because of the current situation, the traditional welcome is not happening, but there's welcoming happening.
Yes.
Is there a smile behind the mask? The
Mm.
mask has become a biggest, what you call curtain in between. But can you still see the smile in the eyes?
Yeah. I think the
Are
eyes
are
twinkle
you
when you smile.
welcoming? Are you welcoming him
Mm.
or her?
Mm.
So that's what. Then he goes. What is the guest information? What all information? The guest information is available in the front office
Mm.
to ensure a hassle-free check-in.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Couple of things here. Very important that the rates which are agreed upon are mentioned clearly on the registration card. The booking voucher is taken. The payment details are verified with the customer again, so that any small issue is sorted there and then, rather than after 2 days of stay or 3 days of stay.
Mm.
Whatever digital marketing copies you have to take of in the iCard and everything is taken.
Mm.
This is your check-in process.
Mm.
Then, how is going to escort him to the room?
Mm.
What is the course of the journey, or what is the course of the talk which you're going to do when you're escorting to the
Yeah.
room?
Yeah.
It will be a friendly chat, giving me some information about the hotel and services, reach the room, ask for any other special request which the guest may have,
Mm.
grooming the guest, all those things. So these are part of the arrival experience,
Mm.
which is again very, very crucial because now the guest is there with you.
Yes. Yes.